Hi everyone, I've done a video on paleo breakfast, and upon the request of my viewers for lunch and dinner options, today I'm going to show you a quick and healthy recipe that is good for both lunch and dinner. We are going to prepare pan-seared salmon with lemon together with sauteed mushrooms and spinach. Easy recipe that can be done in just half an hour. So let's get started. The ingredients for this dish are 150 grams of Norwegian salmon fillet. Try to avoid farm salmon, as again they are usually fed with antibiotics to ensure that they grow fast for sale. 2 cups of brown shimeji mushrooms, which I used in my case, but you can substitute them with any mushrooms of your choice. 2 cups of frozen whole leaf spinach or 3 cups of fresh spinach, half a lemon, and some diced garlic. For this recipe, I use butter to flavor the vegetables, as I've learned from the late celebrity chef Anthony Bourdain that anything you cook would taste so much better with a bit of butter. That's the secret in most restaurants that they don't tell you. For the choice of butter, go for grass-fed butter, which is derived from grass-fed cows, as they are paleo and healthier than those derived from grains or corn-fed cows. You will also need olive oil, Italian mixed herbs, salt and cracked pepper to taste. First thing first, cut a slice of lemon for garnish on the fish later, then set it aside. Next, marinate the salmon with olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, some mixed Italian herbs. Flip it around and do the same on the other side. And don't forget to add a dash of lemon juice on both sides. Let it sit for about 5 minutes whilst you get the rest of the ingredients ready. Remove the roots from the mushrooms. Make sure you wash them well. Next, dice up the garlic. We are done with all the slicing and dicing, and we are ready to cook. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add a small slab of butter to melt. Add garlic and stir occasionally till the garlic starts to brown. Add in the mushrooms and saute for about 5 minutes till the mushrooms turn soft. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the mushrooms are cooked, remove from pan and set it aside. Heat up 2 non-stick pans over medium heat. Add a small slab of butter to melt on one pan for spinach. Add garlic to the melted butter and stir occasionally till the garlic starts to brown. Add olive oil on the other pan to cook the salmon fillet. Once the garlic is done, add the thawed or fresh spinach into the pan. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the spinach wilts. While the spinach is cooking, put the salmon fillet flesh side onto the pan and cook for 2 minutes with the lid on. This not only speeds up the cooking, but also prevents the oil from splattering all over and your home from smelling like fish all day. Once the spinach is about done, season it with salt and pepper. Time to flip the salmon over to the skin side and cook for another 3 minutes, moving the salmon around occasionally to prevent the skin from being burnt. Once the spinach is cooked, remove it from pan and set to the side. Looks like the salmon is ready too. Now we are ready to plate. Serve the salmon on top of the spinach and mushrooms, and there you go, a quick and easy recipe that is great for busy working adults or students who don't have much time to spare in the kitchen. All you need is just 30 minutes and a nutritious and tasty meal is served. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please click below to subscribe so that you'll be notified of my new videos. And as usual, thank you for watching.